Welcome fellas into this new video of TechExpress. Today let's get started making viral videos in a very easy way with artificial intelligence. So basically here what I want to be talking about is that if they are faceless social media channels pulling in millions of views and massive ad revenue just by making fruits and vegetable stocks. It sounds completely absurd, but the data doesn't lie. So audiences are absolutely hooked on these weird photo dramas and bite-sized nutrition roast, and because it's held adjacent, people save and share these videos like crazy, but forces the algorithm to push them harder. Here, what we can focus on, for example, is into tutorials that tells you to buy expensive subscription to animation softwares. Today, gonna be giving you the ultimate free blueprint that can help you to get started. So first of all, you want to write the high retention fruit drama. So my script, for example, is to go viral. You wanted to make sure that you have an actual hook within the first 1 second. The highest converting format right now is the fruit debate or the fruit roast. So you wanted just to make it state boring cold facts. We wanted to make them petty. So you wanted to give them personality, for example. So give them a hide-pat avocado looking down its nose at Soul Lemon. To make this process, for example, what we can do is to generate even with the artificial intelligence. So basically here, what I wanted to do now is to focus into a new tab. I'm going to go here. And first of all, what I'm going to be focusing on, just don't make these state boring health packs. You want to make them specifically. So I'm going to go for, let's say, for example, Gemini here. And what I wanted to do is to, let's say, for example, create a high fat avocado look down its nose at Soul Lemon. So character 1 is a dramatic avocado. The character 2 is a sarcastic lemon. So they are arguing into the molten kitchen about who is healthier. You wanted to keep the dialogue punchy and fast paced. So basically here, what you can do is to even make this more interesting. So I'm gonna go write a 15 seconds funny script for a YouTube short. So character 1 is a dramatic avocado, and character 2 is a sarcastic lemon. They are arguing in a modern kitchen about who is healthier. Keep the dialogue punchy and fast paced. So I delete this stuff, I head for toast, and sometimes this happens, sometimes it doesn't. You can just generate this with the artificial intelligence. If it didn't help you to build that stuff, usually of course you need to get started, for example, from another tool, but basically this is how we can actually get started with the AI to define the actual framework and to generate some picture style food character. For example, is that the exact prompt structure is a clear magnet. You can add shallow depth into the field, blurs the kitchen background, making your fruit pop forward. Make sure to add no text, no watermark at the end, so canvas style pacing too. To generate the actual free voiceovers, you can just do this, for example, by yourself, or you can do this with the artificial intelligence. So basically here, I'm going to focus for a new tab. I'm going to open Canva, for example, and let's see if Canva can actually make this video for me. Now the only problem, for example, if you're going to be using, for example, Canva, Canva has like a really basic element generation, so it doesn't look bad, but I think if you wanted to go for something a little bit more professional than that, I think that we can try out, for example, with Meta AI. Meta AI does like a really more awesome actual job, and it actually gives you like a preview of how it actually going to be looking into the beginning. So for example, if I choose the third video, the third image as an actual references, what's going to be using is going to be making the actual script of that specific image, which I think is going to be really awesome. And basically, for example, I have like an image prompt, and here's like the restyle. You can edit the image, and let's say, for example, you can just go for the action that says animate. and is going to be making the actual animation prompt out of it. So what you can do now is just to make the animation, the faces, for 100% free. So bringing them to life, if you wanted to pristine generated motion without standard modely created drops, you can head over to the Google AI Studio, for example. You can utilize the Rado Limit BO model, or as I am just doing here directly with the Meta AI. The actual work of the Meta AI is really simple, and it actually gives you, like, I believe, almost 5 seconds out of it, and it doesn't look that bad. You can just tell them that the actual result is actually really great, and you can just close that specific element, and what you can do is to extend the actual animation. You can add more music, or even you can add your own in this case your own voice there. So when you finish that, do the exact same thing for the second character images, and you can start now by uploading your actual own video directly into the actual socials. So the step 5 is just to assemble the final edit, import both clips into the CapCut, because CapCut Desktop Apps lets you export in full 4K, and you're actually good to go. So drop the clips into the timeline and chop them in so they can cut back and forth instantly like an intense anime battle. So finally hit into the text and click in auto captions, and use the bold dynamic font percent like bar close, and just make it your own style if you wanted to. So I think this actually works for me. You can just go for the option that says good result, and you can just download it, and you're actually good to go. So guys, this is how we can actually use this kind of elements to get started with this talking fruits. Actually looks really fun to check them out, and it has a really strong great ratings for generating this kind of content. So just in case you have any questions, guys, you can let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and well, hopefully with all this been said, we're gonna see you all next time.